Okay, so I just took off my steering wheel, and this is how it looks on a 91 Toyota MR2. And this is the wrap fix short boss from Works Bell. Open it. It's got an instruction manual in Japanese. So yeah, so you know it's authentic. It's got this guy. I'm assuming this goes here. And then this right here is really cool because I believe it plugs into here so that the airbag light goes off. So let's go ahead and begin. So when you take it off, this part is right here. So I'm assuming that just goes on here, facing upwards, and then you tighten it. That's supposed to go to the top. Okay. Hi, mister. I gotta hear somebody coughing. There we go. And then just put this on. All right, now that this is all on, I've detached the bottom base, and I'm keeping the horn so this black wire goes to this metal piece that comes in the box, and it goes between these two pieces here, and then this red wire connects to the blue wire there, and that wire is just to offset the airbag. Alright, okay, just getting these screws that were provided by them in there, and let's tighten that up. Let's test out our lock system here. Let's see if that works. Should work, so I didn't connect something correctly. Figured it out. So the reason it's not working is because I don't have this attached in here. You're supposed to attach these little guys in here in the photo, as you can see, but I didn't do that. So I'm going to try to put that in and see if it works. Got that in. Let's put this back to how it was and try it again. Right. Let's hope this works. Yay! Success. It works. Yay. One more time. Yay. Let's get these screws back on and finish up the install. Finally able to finish everything. The horn and everything works. This is how it looks. It's pretty cool. And here is the steering wheel. So the hardest part was just getting this button on and wiring it up. Everything else was pretty easy. Just if you watch the full video in the beginning, that little thing I put right down here, that little I don't know, washer type of thing, that goes over here too, and that's how it works. All right, it's installed. Looks really nice. It's secure. No more needing to use a club. And the steering wheel looks beautiful. Now, I would say the most difficult part is wiring in the button. But if you have patience and just look at the pictures, it should work for you. And here it is. Let me go ahead and demonstrate this for you. That comes off. That goes on here, like so. And yeah, baby. Love it.